Discussions are buzzing around the island as an international report that a bee sanctuary will be established in Niue. More concerning for some residents, though, is the indication from the report that bees will be exported from Niue to countries around the world and the impact will have on the island's bee population. Andrew Corey, who is the owner of Niue Honey Company, is said to be working with a US-based crowdfunding site and the Pacific Islands Trade and Invest in New Zealand to develop the idea. The campaign is reported to be looking for help to fast-track the development of the existing apiculture operation from a regional wholesale honey sales organization to a self-funded, globally branded Save the Bee retail bee product sales organization. The primary aim is to raise funding to purchase the first round of Save the Bee honey bottles, the retail sales of which will be used to underwrite the creation of a global bee sanctuary. During the funding campaign, people are asked to pledge from $10 to $30,000, and the campaign will run for 40 days. The bee initiative is also said to be critical with the increased mortality rate of bees around the world. We have not been able to receive a response from the government to the new initiative by Niue Honey. The water tank project, initiated under the Pacific Adaptation to Climate Change program, will be looking to finalize at the end of this year. According to Director of Environment, Sauni Tongatule, the project is nearing completion, but there is still a percentage of houses that need to complete the installation of spouting in order for the department to complete the tank installation. He said the project has received good reports from customers, especially during power blackouts that usually cut out water as well. Mr. Tongatule said there are still water tanks to be purchased from the department for residents who wish to receive extra tanks, as well as for new homes. Kua whakailoa tuai he whakatawhano Iapana, kua whakamilong he koutu Iapana a Niue koe taha he tau motu kua mātutaki atu ke halau tolo a koutu. Koe motu ke taha e seo hewang whurumalima a Niue kua whai mātutaki anga pehenei moe koutu Iapana. Koe whahi tapu ka mole, ne tuku whanaunga te lilifu palimia ko toke tālangi ke he whonoanga ke whitua ke tau tikitaki au te Pasifika ki Iapana. Si kua whai whonoanga whoki, e whakatuwhono ha Iapana kua whakatoka pauaki, ke whakatutala moe lilifu palimia he motu, ke tau mātutakianga he tau whakatuwhono ne ua. Mai he tau whonoanga i Iapana, kua whoki he koutu Iapana, molea e 5 miliona tala ke lang matai tonga hua. He tau motu he Pasifika ke la tamuhiki ki anga e matangi, a manaki ke whakalaulahi e wala tala nei mo lilifu palimia, ka liwa ia ke hoko mai ke motu he tau ahu i mua. Ko he tau wala tala ko mua mai he tau hokotaki am takau South Pacific Commission aboke SPC, kua whai ono ke maliki si haki ki lunga e to tongi he lolo ela ki tau motu he Pasifika, ha kua manaki ke maliki si haki ki lunga e to tongi he lolo ela mai he tau motu ne whai whakafua e koloa nei, koe whalua motu ni kua manaki ke whai maliki si haki ke he Pasifika. Koe tau whailoanga nei mai he SPC kua moa ki au i Neafi, naka ia manaki a Niue ke lauia ke tau hiki ki anga whau nei. Pehe whahinga hua kua toka ki ai e whakafuahanga he lolo ela he whakatuwhono, koe tau hokotaki kua maua mai ke he lolo ela, nā kai a manaki a Niue ke malikisi hake to tongi he lolo ela ke tau mga hakuku i mua. Koe ka kano ni haa kua nā kai hao whia a Niue ke tau whakaholanga kua mole he mga hone tōhi fuai e lolo ela. Whakahiko ke hao tola tau wala tala ki lata ia moe awhiawhi nei, kua whakatoa e tau whewa kilikiki he tau mamatua tāne a whaiumu kua mole ke he tau male i ha kupu moliku. Tau matakau ha kupu tuapa a wasele hiku toi waia moliku ke he fufuta whakamua, ke he fufuta ke oaki koe maanga ha mutalau, alofi ma ke fula kepa mo tamakau tonga. Ke tau nei ko e hong furumataha e maanga ni kua tākli kiki ke kamata mai he mtahi koe mahina whipuali mo e kua whakausi he a whai umuko mole. Ke he male he maanga ko hakupu ne kua tā lofi mo hakupu ke lata mo e tau tutuanga tolu mo e whaa. Kua tā whakamua hakupu mo e moa tole seu whaanga furumawhitu tau ala katoa toa. Oki ke taha e tula moe liu kamata mo e tā lofi tutuli e lofi e ola ha kupu mo e moe lau tolu, tole seu le mfulma tolu e ola. Ke he maanga ko liku ne tā muta lau mo liku ke moa ko hai e sampiani ke lata ia mo e tau uawhi mo e hong fulma lima. Tā whakamoa e maanga ko muta lau mo e kua moa e ola katoa ko e tole seu he mfulma taha. Mo e whae tangata ne nā kai la tā ua ne mouianga ia ke he mali. Oki whakakū ke he taha e tula mo e kua tā mo i tutuli e liku e ola lahi nei ka kua moe lau tolu tole se hong furuma wha e ola katoa toa. Kua kautū e mata kau kiki hamta lau ke lata mo e ua whi hong furuma lima, tu ua e mata kau ha liku, tu tolu e mata kau ha lofi mo e tu wha e kau kiki ha kupu. Hala hatau tolu a te wala tala tutupu ke lata ia mea whiawhinei na wha mai mawhala.